Thermo-Tec's Rogue Series Turbo Cover Kit Installation. Today we're installing the Rogue Series Turbo Cover Kit on Gabe's 1995 Dodge Ram 2500 Banks Cummins Turbo Diesel. The truck has done him very well and able to go anywhere with its four-wheel drive and 34-inch tires. Gabe noticed the air filter box and tube are right up next to the exhaust and T3 turbo, so some heat protection is a necessity. With the Rogue Series Turbo Cover Kit, he's able to wrap the exhaust 90-degree bend and cap off the hot side of the turbo with their Basalt Heat insulation product. First thing was to wrap the exhaust tube. Gabe crawled up on the fender and dug into the engine bay and got all busy wrapping it up. One snap strap to hold the top in place and a few wraps, and he was able to strap the bottom down. Next up was the turbo cover itself. First thing he did was to determine how it fits best and where to start with the wire strap. Since the back is more difficult to get to, Gabe started wrapping the wire on the bottom rear steel button on the cover. A good cinch, and he was able to put the cover over the turbo and bring the wire up from underneath to wrap around the button on the top point of the cover. The new easy fit design of the Rogue Series Turbo Cover keeps the turbine spooled up, reducing turbo lag. The dual layer construction increases performance and durability, reduces underhood temps, improves horsepower and performance by maintaining temperatures inside the turbo. A few wraps around the button and back down and over to the bottom front button. Cinch it down really good and snip off the remaining wire and it's good to go. Yes, it's that simple. The job took less than 30 minutes, and that included some bench racing hanging over the engine. The kit includes not only the turbo cover and wire straps, but also a 25-foot by 2-inch roll of Rogue Series exhaust wrap with two 18-inch snap straps for easy installation. Get this and more cool products at thermotec.com.